Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to download and install the Amazon Shopping app on your iPhone. So if you want to browse products, track orders, and shop directly from your phone, just follow these steps. Alright, let's get started. First, find and open the App Store on your iPhone. Once the App Store is open, tap on the Search tab at the bottom. That's the little magnifying glass. Then tap on the search bar at the bottom of the screen and type Amazon. In the search results, you should see the Amazon app near the top of the list. It's easy to recognize because it has millions of downloads and the Amazon logo. Tap on the Amazon app and then tap the Get button. If prompted, confirm with Face ID, Touch ID, or your Apple ID password. The App Store will now download and install the app on your iPhone. This may take a few seconds depending on your internet speed, so just wait until it's fully installed. Once it's done, tap Open and wait for the app to fully load. After it's ready, you can sign in with your Amazon account or create a new account if you don't already have one. Then you'll be able to start browsing products, checking deals, and shopping directly from your iPhone. And that's it. That's how you download and install the Amazon Shopping app on an iPhone.